Welcome to class 2 of Understanding Design Act. Today we will learn section number 2 and section number 3 of Design Act. Section 2 definitions. These definitions are important for patent agent examination. So, according to section 2A article, this means any manufactured item or substance, whether fully man-made, partially man-made or partially natural. It also includes any part of an item that can be made or sold on its own. Section 2B Controller. This refers to the Controller General of Patents, Designs and Trademarks as mentioned in section number 3. Next is section 2C Copyright. This is the exclusive right to apply a design to any item in the category where the design is registered. Next is section 2D Design. This refers to visual aspects of an item such as its shape, pattern, decoration or the arrangement of lines or colors. The design is judged solely by how it looks to the eye. However, it does not include how the item is constructed or made, mechanical device, trademarks, property marks or artistic works. Okay, now next. Section 2E High Court. The High Court for a state or union territory is the main court that handles legal issues for that area. Each state or union territory has its own high court that deals with cases and legal matters specifically within its own borders. Section 2F Legal Representative. So, who is the legal representative? This is a person who legally represents the estate of a deceased person, means the estate of someone who has died. Section 2G Original Design. This means a design that originates from the creator. It also includes designs that may be old but are used in a new way. Section 2H Patent Office. This is the office referred to in Section 74 of Patent Act 1970. This is a government office where you go to apply for the patents or register designs. They handle all the paperwork and procedure to make sure everything is done correctly and legally. So, if you invent something new or create a unique design, the patent office is the place that helps you protect it. Okay. Section 2J Proprietor of a new or original design. Who is a proprietor? If the creator makes the design for someone else in exchange for something, the person who paid for the design is the proprietor. If someone buys the design or the right to use it on an item, that person becomes the proprietor to the extent of their rights. In other cases, the creator of the design is the proprietor. If the original proprietor passes the rights to someone else, that person becomes the new proprietor. Section 3 of Design Act is about controller and other officers. Let's start. Section 3 subsection 1 says Controller of Designs. Who is controller? The Controller General of Patents, Designs and Trademarks is appointed under Section 4, subsection 1 of the Trade and Merchandise Marks Act 1958. Who is in charge of patents, designs and trademarks, who is also known as Controller General and also serve as Controller of Designs. Section number 3, subsection 2 says Appointment of examiners and officers. The central government can hire as many examiners and officers as needed and give them appropriate title or designation. Section 3, subsection 3 says Duties and functions. These officers will perform tasks assigned by the controller and the controller can give them specific duties through written orders. Section 3, subsection 4 says withdrawal and transfer of matters. In this, The controller has the power to take back any case from an officer and handle it themselves or transfer it to the another officer. The case can be started over from the beginning or continued from where it was left depending on the controller's instruction.